In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create these mobile game icon images by using Blender and Stable Diffusion XL. Please use cycles with 768 by 768 resolution without the denoise and composite nodes, and also set the background strength to 0.5. We need to use an orthographic camera for game object renders. The meshes were created by using a cube with two array modifiers like this. Please render the image and import it to Stable Diffusion. For icon projects, please don't create a depth map, because that will create an odd-looking result like this. Please remember to reset preprocessor and select the correct model. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.